Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
This right here, guys, is the Xiaomi Redmi 5A, probably the best budget phone available in the market right now. It still costs you 5,000 rupees. That's less than $100 to people who are not from India. And just to give you a brief overview, it comes with 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage, a Snapdragon 425, a 5-inch HD display, and MIUI 9. Now that is where it gets interesting. MIUI 9 is an operating system which is packed with features, dual apps, app lock and second space and fingerprint gestures, though this phone doesn't have a fingerprint. But then again, yes, this is a beautiful operating system. It's a little on the heavier side to my taste, but then again, I really like it at times, so that is the reason I have this boy here. I still have the Redmi 4A, and what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to install the beta ROM on a Xiaomi Redmi 5A. Now, why would you want to try a beta ROM, you ask? Well, one, what we're going to look at is we don't need to unlock a bootloader. That is a task on Xiaomi devices. So Xiaomi, if you're listening, you really need to simplify the process of unlocking the bootloader. So with that said, what we're going to do is we're going to download the latest beta. I am on the stable MIUI 9 now, and we will go ahead and flash it using the stock recovery without making a lot of changes. Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorial. Let's go ahead and install the beta ROM on the Redmi 5A. Alright guys, so welcome to the channel, and what you're looking at right now is the Xiaomi Redmi 5A, and it is on a lock bootloader. I haven't been able to go ahead and unlock the bootloader on this one. If we go to additional settings and then if we go to developer options, you would notice that if we look at my unlock status, it is still locked. Alright, so the device is still locked, but we will go ahead and try to update it to MIUI 9 beta. Now to do that, first what you need to do is, you don't necessarily need a computer. You could just go to Chrome and then you can type in en.miui.com, because that's the link you need to go to, and click on MIUI 9 global ROMs, and then just select your device Redmi 5A, and as you see here, this is 5A global, this is 5A global. So this is the developer ROM which is known as beta. So we're going to download this. So just go ahead and download this. I already have it downloaded for you guys. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how to go ahead and update it. It's very simple. Let's see if it really works. It should. It worked with me for the Redmi 5A. You just need to go to About Phone, System Update, then tap these 3 dots, choose Update Package. And as I have the downloaded file in my internal storage, I will go to MI File Manager, and there it is. This is the latest beta update. I will select it and tap OK. Alright, so before we proceed, here's the deal. Here's what I would like to inform you guys. The procedure remains the same, but then again, I would request you guys to back up all your data, the internal storage and everything else. Perform a factory reset on the Redmi 5A or any Xiaomi device that you're using. Alright, so this applies to all the Xiaomi devices. You can update them to a beta ROM, okay? But then again, you need to ensure that before you follow this process, you need to go ahead and do a factory reset and then copy the newly downloaded beta firmware to your phone's internal memory, and then go ahead and try to update. Because when I tried without formatting without doing a reset, it actually failed. Alright, so now when I look at it, now when I formatted it, it actually went to check again and then it proceeded successfully. But then again, it will erase everything and then update. So let me just show you guys real quick. There you go. So you're going to revert MIUI version. So that is basically the global beta ROM that we are talking about. Alright, so we're just going to tap erase and update, and erase and update again. Now this process that we are looking at right now, it will take at least 10 minutes. That is correct. that is how long it takes. So if it is taking around 10 minutes, please do not panic. Just go ahead and wait for it to update. And one more reason why people like to install beta firmwares is because they like to try new features that are coming. And while I'm shooting this particular video, I have come to know that MIUI 10 has been announced, and you guys would be glad to know that Redmi 5A is on the list to receive MIUI 10. So that's brilliant. Kudos to Xiaomi there. I guess tomorrow or today evening there should be a video detailing about MIUI 10 and what MIUI 9.2 will carry and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. I will get back to you guys after the update is complete to check what MIUI version we are on and if there is any major change. So now that we are on MIUI 9 beta, and before I tell you everything else, let me tell you that we are giving away this bad boy here, not this one. So one lucky winner, once the channel makes it to 4,000 subscribers, one lucky winner will be getting a brand new Redmi 5A. It will be directly shipped to that person, and this contest is valid for all Indian citizens till the end of February. So if you have not participated yet, go to the description box, follow all the instructions and participate. Alright, so the Xiaomi Redmi 5A has booted up. It has reached the home screen, and as I said earlier, you can follow this method without unlocking the bootloader. You can go to a global beta. Alright, so beta ROMs get faster updates. Every week you will be getting an update. Let's have a look at this particular ROM. Now if we go to about phone, this is Android 7.1.2. security patch is 1st January 2018, and then it says MIUI Global 8.1.2 for beta, and that's all the other information. Let's see if we have an update. Not really. Alright, so nothing much has changed over here, you know, just a few things, just like everything is like stock. But then again, this is a beta ROM, it will get faster updates, and if you want to unlock the bootloader, it is preferred that you go ahead and unlock the bootloader while you are on a beta ROM. It does that faster. So that was the video for you guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. You can do this on any Xiaomi device. You can follow this tutorial on any Xiaomi device. You can just let me know which Xiaomi device you have, and I will confirm if it will work on that device or not. Thank you for your time once again. Goodbye.